Next one. The radius of a circle is 1 less than twice the radius of other by 1 centimeter. The sum of their areas is 34 pi square centimeter. 34 pi square centimeter. Find the radius of each circle. Now radius of a circle is less than twice the radius of other by 1. So from this information, we can write the radii of both circles. So now suppose let the radii of or radius of one circle be x. Now what he says, the radius of a circle is less than twice the radius of other by 1. Now therefore, now we can write the radius of second. Radius of second circle less than twice the radius of the other. Now other means this one, isn't it? So twice the radius of other means 2x. Less than twice the radius of other by 1. Less by 1. So it is how much now? Minus 1. So if according to this statement, if the radius of 1 is here, the second will be 2x minus 1. Less than twice by 1. Twice means 2x. By 1 means minus 1. And now we know radii of the both circle. What he says, sum of their areas. Now what is the formula for area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. So we want to make the sum of areas of both circle. So area of first circle, radius of the first circle is here. So area of first circle how much now? Pi r square means pi x square. Because radius is x. Plus area of second circle, again pi into r square, and r means what? 2x minus 1 whole square is equal to how much? Sum of the squares of area is equal to 34 pi. Sorry, it is 34 pi. This is the one. Now you see left hand side, pi x square plus pi into 2x minus whole square. So into pi into 5, it is common. So you take that common, pi into what is remaining here, x square plus 2x minus 1 whole square is equal to 34 pi. Means 34 into pi. Now this into pi, they will get cancelled. So x square plus 2x minus 1 whole square. Now write with the identity to expand it. So first 4x square, 2 to the 4, 4 into 1 minus 4x, and plus b square means plus 1 square 1 is equal to 34. So x square plus 4x square, 5x square minus 4x and 1 minus 34. So that is how much? Minus 33 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the pair which will give you product 5 into minus 33. So how much? 5 is the 15, 5 is the 15 and 1 16. So product should be 165, minus 165, and addition minus 4. So if product is negative, that means one will be positive, one will be, second number will be negative. So again we have to find two numbers like that. Difference between them is 4. So let us first find prime factor here. 5. 5 3 ta, 5 3 ta, 3 11 ta. So okay, see, 5 3 ta 15 and this one 15 and 11. What is the difference? 4 is the difference. But the difference is minus 4, so 15 will be negative, isn't it? So 5x square minus 15x plus second number is 11x minus 33 is equal to 0. So 5x square minus 15x, 5x common. So x minus 5 3 plus straightway you write here x minus 3. So it is 11x. So x into 11 will give 11x is equal to 0. So x minus 3 into 5x plus 11 is equal to 0. Now you can see here, it's right here now. So x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 5x plus 11 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 or x is equal to plus 11 will be minus 11 upon 5. So what we are finding here, the radii. Radii means radius of each circle. The radius means length. Again, length cannot be negative, isn't it? So since radius cannot be negative, minus 11 upon 5 is discarded. So radius of first circle is equal to how much? 3 centimeter. And radius of second circle, that is how much? 2x minus 1. 2 into 3 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 means 5 centimeters. Okay. Centimeter. Okay. So that's how